I just wanted to show you how well this teak oil has been for our cabinets. Just applied some to a rag here and show you how good that works. It's really quick and simple, and it's, like I said, a very permanent application. So make sure this is what you want to do before you rub it on your cabinets. It's a little stinky. It takes about 30 minutes to dry. As you can see, it's very quick application. Here we had a dog scratching up the door. Let's see how the teak oil does here. Oh wow, look at that. It's awesome. We thought this door was toast. Love it. No more scratches. You can't even see the scratches anymore. See how this helps. Oh yeah, that's way better.